What's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you very important things about your contacts. So I will show you how to recover your deleted contacts from your iPhone. So if you have the iCloud, like if you already signed in with your iCloud, then it will be very easy to recover your deleted contacts. So make sure your iCloud is turned on, and here as you can see my iCloud is turned on, and now you have to check like your contacts is synced with your iCloud. So here you can see here on my phone contacts is already synced, so I won't turn it off. You just need to make sure your Wi-Fi is connected with your iPhone. And now let's delete one contact. For example, okay, here I'm deleting this one. So after deleting, okay, it's deleted now. After deleting, now let's move to the computer. Then now I will show you how to recover that deleted contact from your iPhone. Now simply go inside the iCloud and you need to sign in here. If you have the MacBook or Windows computer, whatever you have, like you can use it. So here I'm using a Windows computer and I will sign in here with my Apple ID. After signing in here, you have to put your two-factor authentication here, because the iCloud will ask for your two-factor authentication here. So after putting your authentication number, you will get it on your over your phone or on your Gmail, this code, and here you have to press that trust. Okay, and inside, now we are inside the iCloud here, and you have to press and click on the contacts. So after clicking contacts, at the here bottom you can see the account settings, and you have to scroll down now, and after scrolling down at the bottom you can see here the account setting, restore contacts. So if you want to restore your contacts, like deleted contacts, you can restore from here. And if you want to restore any file, then you can also restore like related files, even any like books if you have, like if you delete it, so you can recover it very easily. So here I want to recover the songs or files, so I will just restore my contacts. So this will take like few seconds, and this is not too much hard things. So this is already completed, is showing. So thanks. And after this you will get the notification on your, like if the restoration is completely okay, then you will get the mail on your iCloud mail. So on your iCloud mail you will get the confirmation, and you will get the pop-up here. Now let me show you on my phone. So if it's works, then totally fine. Hopefully it will work perfectly. So here let's search that name Obuni here. So see, Obuni is here. So thank you for watching and hope you like the video. I will come with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy.